Is there anything more iconically charming than a vintage picnic basket? They're so cute. They evoke everything I love about vintage kitchenware. They're well made, adorable, and functional. I have several and can't resist buying any I find that are a good deal. Outside of toting a picnic lunch, they are great for general storage. I actually keep my kitchen towels in this one. And this one I use as a little toy bin in my living room. And this one, I actually keep my cleaning supplies in this side and my cleaning towels on that side. They're great for all sorts of things. Farmers markets, carrying food to friends' houses for dinner parties, organizing closets, anything really. Don't just limit them to picnics because, let's be honest, you probably don't go on a ton of picnics, and they deserve better than being stashed away, serving no purpose until your once-a-year novelty outing. But this week, I'm going on a picnic, so they are going to get used for the real thing. And I wanted to show you just a few examples of the types of vintage picnic baskets out there. First is this classic example, and the one you're probably used to seeing the most. Can't go wrong. They fit a ton of stuff. If you have a big group, a long drive, and a short walk to the site, this is the basket for you. Then there's something smaller, like this one. Isn't it the cutest? I'm obsessed with it. It's so cute it could be a purse. The same maker has one that looks like a watermelon slice. So adorable. It's great for smaller picnics for two. Doesn't fit a ton, but it's nice and light, so it's easier to carry. I use it for a second basket for extra large picnics. You can pack the blanket and food in the bigger one and utensils and plates in this one. Works great. Then there's one like this. It's actually my favorite and I use it the most. It's called a baguette basket and it's from France. It is designed to hold a bottle of wine in this slot and a baguette in the other slot. Isn't it great? And it's very well made and sturdy. I use it all the time for going to friends' houses since I can bring a bottle and something I cooked and I don't have to worry about it rolling around in the car. There are lots of other picnic baskets. I would love to add a pie safe to my collection. But no matter the shape or the size, they are a fun and useful addition to your kitchen. So if you have a vintage picnic basket, please share. I would love to see it. And do you have any creative uses for your picnic basket when you're not picnicking?